Welcome to our presentation video. Today I'm going to show you our newest functionality called Generate Report. Now, with one single mouse click, you're able to generate report for all kinds of billings for a chosen matter or a client that is automatically downloaded to your desktop. It's important to note that this report will not be saved into the system.
Now, let's try it.
Let's get into the matter or a client page you want to generate the report for and go in tab Billings. Now, select the billings that you want to be included in the report. Click Generate Report. And then Generate. As you can see, with few mouse clicks, we've generated a report for those billings. To unlock this functionality, go to Settings, User Management, and check the checkbox for the permission called Generate Billing Report. It's important to note that you can enable this permission only if you enabled Manage Billings permission. I hope this functionality will come in handy. Thanks for watching and see you soon.